Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best cat calming spray pheromone diffuser on the market. The Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit by NAKESY. If your feline friend has been scratching the furniture, spraying around the house, or constantly hiding out of anxiety, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's start by taking a look at what you actually get in this complete set. The box includes 2 plug-in diffusers and 4 refill bottles, each filled with 48 milliliters of calming formula. This setup is especially useful for multi-cat homes or for those who want coverage in more than one room. It's all about creating a peaceful, stress-free environment across your living space. What makes this product stand out is that it's entirely drug-free and non-toxic. That means it's gentle enough for kittens and senior cats alike. It uses synthetic pheromones that mimic the ones cats naturally produce to signal safety and comfort. So you're not sedating your pet or exposing them to chemicals. You're simply reinforcing a sense of calm in their space. Each refill lasts for up to 30 days, giving you a total of 4 months of calming relief with the initial package. That's 120 days of quiet time, no fighting, no hissing, no surprise pee spots on your laundry. And because the diffuser emits a gentle, odorless vapor, it's perfect for homes where you want results without artificial fragrances wafting through the air. Now, let's talk about coverage. Each diffuser is powerful enough to cover up to 700 square feet. That's roughly the size of a large living room or even a small apartment. It ensures that no matter where your cats roam, from the windowsill to under the couch, they're feeling those calming vibes. Whether you've got one curious kitten or a whole clouder of cats, this kit is designed to reduce tension and promote harmony. Using it couldn't be simpler. All you have to do is plug it into an outlet in your cat's favorite hangout spot. Just make sure the vent is facing up, and avoid placing it behind furniture or under shelves so the vapor can spread freely. It's normal for the unit to feel slightly warm, that's just a sign it's working. Once it's in place, you can sit back, relax, and start seeing the difference in your cat's behavior. If you're looking for a safe, easy, and effective solution that doesn't rely on medication and actually lasts, it absolutely makes a strong case for itself. Whether your cat is dealing with stress from moving, loud noises, new pets, or separation anxiety, the NAKESY Cat Calming Diffuser Kit has been designed to address those issues head-on. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to bring peace back to your pet's world, check out the link in the description to learn more about the NAKESY Diffuser Kit. And as always, subscribe for more honest reviews on the products that matter to you. See you in the next one.